All right, everyone, so we're fresh off WPPI 2024, Las Vegas. Marie and I spent maybe just over 48 hours down there with a jam-packed schedule. We'll probably end up putting a follow-up recap video, if you will, about our experience, probably over on Instagram, so keep an eye out for that, at Jesse_Rinka if you want to follow us over there. But we're here to announce something more local to Westchester, to New York, tri-state area. If you were watching along and you had some FOMO perhaps that you couldn't make it out to Las Vegas, you still want to take part in a networking and educational experience, well, our next workshop here is going to be on April 8th. That's a Monday from 4:30 to 7:30 p.m. The 4:30 p.m. start time is going to be here at the studio, where you get a chance to do a meet and greet, go over some issues you might be having, go over your work, talk about gear, anything like that. It's an open discussion opportunity while hair and makeup gets done by our good friend Lindsay on our couple. And then we're gonna be heading out shortly after 5 o'clock to Rockwood Hall, which is nearby in Sleepy Hollow, just a few short minutes. And from there, we're gonna get down to shooting. So we'll have a good, probably 2 hours to work with our couple, going from everything we would do from directing, posing, composition, lighting, all that good stuff. Everything you need to know to provide an amazing experience to your couples and to walk away with some really beautiful images. So we encourage you to sign up. We'll put the link down below in the description. Feel free to ask us any questions along the way. We'll have some light refreshments here for those who do show up early, but otherwise we recommend that you bring your favorite camera and lenses that you love to shoot couples with. I'll be shooting Flashpoint, Godox lighting wise, so if you have a trigger, you're welcome to bring it. Otherwise, I will have at least one for Sony, Nikon, and Canon users. Again, we look forward to hopefully having you here. It's always a great experience, and yeah, we can't wait. So April 8th, mark your calendars, sign up, and we'll definitely have a bunch of things to add in as well to the experience. We have some great vendors and companies who we associate with and are ambassadors for. So we're gonna work our hardest to get as much as we can to add in terms of giveaways and that sort of thing. It's always awesome, it's always fun, and we look forward to seeing you there. So take care for now, and yeah, go sign up.